Today we're going to show you how to pair your Apple iPhone into the GMC vehicle. Now we have a Sierra 1500 here today, so we'll start by selecting phone from the home screen. Now we are going to select manage phones, and then one more time add phone. So this would show you where your devices are already paired. So then on your iPhone, you're going to have that gray settings menu. So you can go ahead and select that, and then you're going to go on to Bluetooth, and then you're going to actually scroll all the way to the bottom, and we're looking for My GMC. So we'll notice that pops up down there. And now we're going to get a code, make sure it matches, and you click pair on your phone and pair on the infotainment screen. You can allow your contacts to sync if you would like. In this case, we're just going to not do that since it's a demo vehicle. And now it will give you a terms of use. So you're going to allow that and then enable the terms of use. Now this will connect with the CarPlay, and then on your phone you'll get one last setting that says use CarPlay. And now it will connect, so we'll have the ability to use things like Google Maps, Spotify, all of our text messaging, phone calls would go through here. It will also show you restaurants, or if you're looking for coffee spots, all sorts of good stuff right here in the menu, which is going to make it very convenient, and you only have to do that one time to connect. Once you hop back into the truck, it will automatically connect wirelessly for the GMC Sierra. So if you have any other questions or need help with this, make sure to visit us. We'd be happy to help you out.